1. The moon is actually moving away from us at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year, which is pretty crazy to think about. This is because the moon's orbit is slowly increasing in size due to the tidal interactions between the Earth and the moon. As a result, the moon will eventually become too far away to have a significant impact on our tides. 2. The moon has a dark side, but it's not actually dark all the time, it just always faces away from Earth. The far side of the moon was only seen for the first time in 1959 when the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 imaged it, and it's still a bit of a mystery to scientists today. The far side is actually quite different from the near side, with more craters and less maria, which are the large, dark basaltic plains. 3. The moon is not round in shape, but is actually an ellipsoid, meaning it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This is because the moon rotates very slowly, which causes it to bulge out due to its own gravity. The moon's shape is also influenced by the gravitational pull of the Earth, which is why it's not a perfect sphere. For, the moon has no atmosphere, which means there's no wind, weather, or sound on the moon. This is because the moon is too small to have enough gravity to hold onto an atmosphere, and any gases that might have existed there were stripped away by the solar wind. As a result, the moon's surface is completely silent, which is a pretty surreal idea to wrap your head around. 5. The moon is actually covered in a fine layer of dust that's caused by meteorite impacts, and this dust is so fine that it can even be kicked up by astronauts' boots. The dust is also extremely clingy, which is why it was such a problem for the Apollo astronauts. It would get everywhere, including inside their spacesuits and equipment. The moon's dust is still a bit of a mystery to scientists, who are trying to figure out how it's formed and what it can tell us about the moon's history.